here in first one we have to write a constraint that has value in between your 15 to 20. Let's suppose your data type is int type, and now you have to randomize this variable. Let's say we have int a, so now you have to randomize this a variable such that your value should be lies between 15 to 20. Intention is clear? Yeah, here we have to randomize our a variable such that we will only get the value which lies in the range of 15 to 20. So let's write the code. So first of all, take one class and just name it as in sample, and then end class. So here rand keyword allows us to use the randomization concept. Now see, here we have created one class called sample, and then we have just considered one variable int a, and we have considered that as a rand type because we want the randomized value of a. Your int is of 32 bit. We want only the value which is 15 to 20. So how can we do this? So in order to achieve that, we have to consider one constraint. So let's consider one constraint. So we have used the constraint keyword. Now you can take any name of your constraint, and we will see like why name is important. So right now I have considered the constraint name as C1. Now you can just use this curly bracket. Now I want my value of a in between 15 to 20. So we can write a inside. So inside is your keyword. Now I want 15 to 20. So here you can consider one curly bracket, and inside that the value which you want. So write the range of value. So right now I am looking for the value which is in between 15 to 20. Now just mark here as a semicolon. So here we have written our constraint. Now consider one module. So let's say module, and then tb, and then end module. Yeah, so we have considered one module. Now just take the name of your class in order to create a handle. Now initial, begin, and end. Now we have to create an object. So s1 is equal to new. We wanted to repeat. Let's say we wanted to see 10 times. So just repeat it 10 times, and then begin, and then end. Now you can just randomize the value. So here the handle name is s1. So by using the handle name you can randomize. So s1 dot randomize. So you can call the randomize function, and if it is true then it will go to the next line. So randomize, and then just display that value. So $display, and whatever value is there, so you can display. So let's say a is equal to %0d, and we have to, in order to point our a or in order to print a, we have to take the handle or instance. Now we have like written all the code and all the possible things which we want in randomization. Now let's run this code. Yeah, so here you can see we are getting 16, 20, 19, 16, 19, 16, 16, 18. That is in the range of your constraint, because we have written the constraint such that we are looking for the value which is in between 15 to 20. If you want to see all the values, so you can just make it as a randc. Now let's run this code. Yeah, so here you can see we are getting 16, 70, 20, 18, 15. Then again repeating 19, 18, 19, 17, 15. So that's how we are getting all the value which was there inside the range. So that's how you can write a constraint in order to select a particular amount of value instead of just randomizing all the value. So that is the use of your constraint. I hope this example is clear.
Yeah, it's clear.